Alright, welcome back. The next part we're going to do is I'm going to finish putting the floor in this room and then we're going to move to the dining room. Stick around. For these vents, all I did was use a jigsaw like this to cut out the shape of where the vent goes in right here. So it covers it like that. And this is the last piece that I have going in right here. I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, just like that. And then the vent goes on top. Right there. Okay, this is what just came in the mail.
I've always wanted to have a mat from LL Bean. I can't.
Like this?
Oh my, that is.
That works.
Okay.
Here we go. I want to make sure I don't.
I'll do that.
I think that's good. Thank you, Esther.
Can I feel how soft it is? Oh, that's not soft at all.
Stinks. Here, right? Daddy's far enough away. There we go. Okay. Shall we roll it out?
Yeah!
Ooh, look at that.
Wait, guys, I feel
And this is going to go by the front door, right?
Yeah. I'm excited.
I've got the chop saw over here right now, so we're going to have to wait to put it over by the door.
Well, I want to put it in when the whole room is done.
See? This stump.
But yeah, it's like little trees.
Well, let's finish the room.
Yeah, you finish the room.
Somebody likes the new rug.
He was like trying to like move along and scratch it. That is so cute.
It's the enchanted forest because of the trees.
Wait, Esther, I need to get. Wait, she looks like Anna because she has brown.
Panther, do you like it?
Who liked the new rug, baby?
And Elsa has blonde hair, and I have a doll with blonde
We
hair.
have the cat's approval.
That's
Yes.
pretty cute.
We're almost there. We got this part around by the fireplace, and now we just have this corner to do, and then we'll be done. This is the last piece for the living room. Let's see if it fits. It may not. I cut a few of them too short earlier, but it's just how it goes sometimes.
I should have that piece of wood right there next to me.
Okay. It's done.
Yay!
There's our mat. We finished the living room. We put a bunch of things back in the living room so that we can work on the dining room next. We're gonna rip this out and then do this room, and then it'll be mostly complete.
Wait, don't rip it without me.
Yeah, don't rip it up right now, Sydney.
We're gonna go somewhere, so we're not gonna rip it up just yet.
Yeah, we're going to our friend's house for dinner.
Yep.
Yeah.
And we're bringing these
Yeah.
whoopie pies.
Can you do two braids?
Mm.
Ether, come in.
And those.
Can you do two braids, Mom?
Yep.
Ether. Does that still have one braid?
Push him in.
Don't push it in.
They got it.
There we go. Hi, baby. You're blocking the light. Oh, there you are. Let's get the... He's inside of it.
Wait, Esther, scoot out for a teeny bit.
He's coming out the other end.
That's funny.
He's so cute.
He likes the funniest places.
Hey, Panther.
You like it in
Mommy,
there?
if I were a cat, I'd
Yeah,
take
it's
him.
funny how he loves.
Mommy?
I encouraged it.
In the summer months, we used to have ants that would come all along this wall, and we just figured out there's a big hole there. But hopefully the wooden floor will cover it up, so we won't have any more ants. Right, Michael?
Right. Okay, we've got the floor all prepped and ready to lay down more planks. And while I'm working on that,
We're making yummy pizza.
Trelena's working hard on dinner.
Which is gonna be lunch since it's, I don't know, it's dinner.
No, it's Mommy. Isn't pizza lunch?
Well, it's like 2 something. Almost 2 o'clock.
But Mommy, it's not that late. It's still.
No, it's not late, honey.
It's bright out.
Okay.
The snow makes everything brighter.
Okay, we're getting ready to put in the last piece
For the dining room.
for the dining room, yeah. All right. A few more cuts and we're done. Now I've got to cut it narrow like this. And now we cut it with the McJigger saw. Here we go, last piece. I'm just gonna kind of work it in, whoops, with this crowbar here.
Started today and finished today.
Okay, it's done. The dining room floor is now completed. Now we just need to put the furniture back. All right, that was easy. It's all back. So that completes the living room and the dining room, and next up is going to be the kitchen. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.